Hi, this question is from Google. So, original post is this. So I formatting the problem and also using this as a solution. The formatting has some issue. So I'm just coming over here and then explain what's going on. So, you have a change log. Probably just to resolve the merge conflict. So you're gonna have two object. One is for file 1, the other one is for file 2. And then for each log, you have a version, you have a message. So it's pretty much like git commit, something like this. And what you need to do is you want to sort the version based on the message. So you're going to merge length up, and ordering should be consistent in ascending order whenever there's a smaller version, right? So the latest version has to go to the last, and smaller one has to go to the first. So in that case, let's see. So the file 1 has 24.0.1, 23.0.2. So in file 2 we have 24.0.2. So I know this will go after this one, right? And 23.0.2, this is the same as this. Now this is a conflict. When there's a conflict, mean like they have the same version but different message. What you need to do is you want to join this message together. Basically it's like this. And what else? 24.0.2, another one that is conflict 2 itself, right? And 24.0.1 is back to here, right? Conflict 23.0.2, yeah. So what you could do is this. You can ordering them all together, all in once, or you can do your self conflict resolve first before you merge. So you can do this, sorting first, and once this also sorting. So once the file 2 sort, once the file 1 sort as well, you do a merge again to resolve the sort again, or you can do everything sort all in one. So you do this and this, merge, and then do a sort. So pick whatever you want, but this is kind of idea. So log is like this. You have class log, version, linked list for linked list string, for change. And so this is going to be your like function that you need to implement. So if I give you like this, well, what are you going to do? Definitely you want to traverse the file 1 and file 2, and based on each log, and based on each log, each version, you want to compare the version, and then basically you want to compare whatever, whichever is smallest one. If that's smaller, then if num1, which is v1, is smallest, then you want to just return greater than 0. If they are equal, return 0. If they are not equal, you want to return -1, which will give you the descending order. So yeah, I and j will represent each index file, and basically you pull every single version out, compare. If this is greater than 0, you want to add your file 1 log into the merge, which is the combined one. If this is less than, which is going to be descending order, you want to add this one back to here. But again, based on how you are doing the compare version. So this might be pretty straightforward. Based on nums1 and nums2, it will determine whether or not which version is smallest or greater. So yeah, this is pretty standard. Anyway, then come back to here. If they are equal, then basically you want to combine them into one. So that's why you have add all. The reason why you're using add is because the linked list is probably like they might link to another string, but I would say that list of string will be better. You don't need linked list anyway. So you add everything together, and then you basically create a log you add into the merge, you increment both pointer, and then until this while loop break. So if one of the condition doesn't satisfy, then it will break. But how do we know I is less than size of file 1 or j is less than size of file 2? You don't know, right? So you do like the wrap up, like we want to know like if I is still less than file 1, then you just append the remaining. If size is j is less than file 2, then you just append in the rest of the log. But I was still doing the sorting because this doesn't actually sort this guy. So definitely this is not an ascending order. So I would say this solution is still partial. You still need to find out a way like the remaining for file 2. Just for example, the remaining for file 2 is ascending order, not a random order. So yeah, I mean this solution is copied from someone. Again, I'm just trying to make sure like the ideas are this, but you want to make sure that when you are trying to interview, probably it will be better to just sort the file 1 and file 2 first beforehand, and that's it. Alright, see you, man.